welcome back to another video. Today I have found my slime. Yay! If you haven't seen the video that's the title called Help Me Find My Slime, before you watch this video, pause it, cut the other video, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Trust me. Now where okay, yeah, I gotta look at something. It's in my Halloween. I'm gonna do ASMR with my son. Okay. I know it's not really ASMR, I think. Because I think ASMR means satisfying and relaxing. Slime. ASMR. I was just looking at them in seconds. Okay, look. Here. I was doing a YouTube video. That's my mom.
Let's go.
Okay. Can I record in the car?
Can we go?
Yeah, I'm gonna just record in the car.
Oh, put a sweater on, please. I don't hear you going to push.
You weren't supposed to come. Wait, so I put that back for no reason? Please mind. What? Please don't mind this. Oh my gosh. What did I just do? I don't know what I feel. Okay. So. Okay, put on the wet tub because it's 59 degrees outside. Please do not mind. Like, for real. I promise I'll do it quick. Wasn't the video plan. I was just trying to do ASMR before we left. But good news is that my mom has data so I can still record. And I can still do ASMR if my mom lets me bring my slime that I made. And I did it without my mom's help. It's the best part. I'm really proud of myself. No. Very small but super stretchy. Look. It's covering the whole camera. This is how stretchy it is. All the way to up to. Give me a like, hit the like button if you like ASMR. And comment down below if you know, let's do a question of the day. Would you rather have a shark or an alligator as your pet? Leave it down in the comments. Because I need to know. But when I put it outside, when do I?
Oh, you didn't even go see my work that I did today.
I'm gonna make another video when I come back.
Wait for you, Shula.
Oh, sorry.
Right now.